This is Nipper, our 9-foot dog here at the Global Academy. But why do we have a 9-foot dog in the car park? Well, the story goes back over 100 years and involves a record player and the real-life Nipper. Born in 1884, Nipper, so named because he used to nip at people's ankles, lived a happy life until he died of natural causes in 1895. It was 3 years after Nipper's death that Francis Barraud, his last owner and brother of his first owner, painted a picture of Nipper listening to a wind-up Edison Bell cylinder phonograph, an early record player, if you like. He then sold the picture to the company that eventually became Electric and Musical Industries Limited, or as we know it, EMI. So our 9-foot dog is a tribute to the original Nipper and to the vinyl factory which used to occupy this very space. Nipper is a music industry icon and is still recognised all over the world to this day.